Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming identity and device readiness. Open Banglalink's official ESIM purchase page or app and choose ESIM. Enter your NID or passport details exactly as printed, then upload a clear selfie for KYC. Make sure your phone supports ESIM and is online because activation requires internet. Once done, select the ESIM plan you want, check price and validity, and proceed to payment. Don't skip verifying the account name matches your ID. After selecting the plan, double-check the mobile number, validity, and add-on options. This prevents reorders. Proceed to payment using a saved card, mobile financial service, or bank transfer. Follow any OTP prompts to authenticate. Once payment clears, Banglalink will generate an ESIM order and usually send a QR or activation code to your registered contact. Keep your device online. The system often links the ESIM to your account automatically once the QR is scanned or code entered. To activate, open Settings Cellular Add Cellular Plan, then scan the received QR or input details manually. The phone will download the profile and show the new plan. Once installed, choose the ESIM for mobile data or calls, then restart the device to finalize registration. If you see no signal, make sure APN settings match Banglalink, retry scanning the QR, and ensure your old SIM is disabled if conflicts occur. If problems persist, contact support with your transaction ID and device model.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.